Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. Want to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. It's got the 312 V8, it's got AC, it's got the Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, flame red, white interior, it's got the hard top. It is just beautiful. As you take a look at it, the red paint is really nice all the way around. The panels are nice and straight. It even's got here on the back, well, it's got your side skirts. Everything that you want with the 57 Ford Thunderbird. What we're going to do is take you on a test drive, go through the exterior, go through the interior, and show you the undercarriage. Stay tuned. As you can see, this paint is in really good shape. There's a little bit here where the top was on. That was not fully wet sanded when they did the respray. But overall, the fitment, everything all the way around is in really good shape. Paint is in really good shape. Obviously, lots of metal. No Bondo filled. The rims, very good shape with those white walls. Again, all the body lines, everything with it. It's in really good shape. It's got the side skirts for the rear. All the trim, bumper, everything. Really good shape, including those bumpers with the exhaust. Again, the side skirts on both sides are in really good shape. And as you can see, those panels are nice and straight, and the paint is really good in that too. Let's take a look underneath the hood. As you can see under here in the engine bay, everything is nice and detailed. Looks really good. There's lots of receipts that go with this. That was all done in 2019. So the good thing with that is you know that it's been recently refreshed, so it's all good to go. You see that engine bay. Engine itself is in really good shape, and all the detail that goes along with it is really good. We'll get this closed. Shuts really well. Pop it in here to the interior. Door panels are in great shape. This is a power window car. I'll show you that here in a second. All the gauges do work except for the clock. Radio, I got a little bit of sound from it, but I wasn't able to get any type of station. Seats in really good shape. There is a little snag right here. And then this does have your interior cover that does cover just that top side. It's not a hard or not a soft convertible top itself. It just does cover the interior. Driver's side goes up and down just like it should. Get in here to the trunk. The trunk is in really good shape. You'll be able to see here when we look in it. Again, the trunk, all the metal's there. It's in really good shape. It's got a spare tire, jack, and again, that metal is in just such good shape. You can tell all the way around, all the panels, everything like that. Really good shape. Got a couple extra spare parts in there as well. Closes nice. Let's go over here to this passenger side. Again, door panels in great shape. It is a power window car. Dash, that's all in good shape. Again, the seat's in good shape, just that little snag on that other side. Let's hop into the drive. All right guys, we're gonna get into this drive. It's a nice hot one again today. We couldn't get that passenger side over there to quite work, but looks like horn does not work. Wipers work. Better get on some of that AC pumping. Power seat does work though. Got a good thing there. Again, it's a nice hot one today. Turn signals work. You can tell it's been very well taken care of. You know, it hasn't been out that much, and that's why it's in such good shape still. It shows so well because it's been mostly garage, and it's definitely a California, Arizona car, that's for sure. That's what I absolutely love about it. What's so great about it is it's nice and dry and in good shape with all the paint and everything like that. Some of the maintenance itself might not be the best, but overall it is in really good shape. It's got a couple of things you need to work with, but let's see how she runs out. Shift's nice and smooth. Brakes work well. It's definitely a great cruiser. Yeah, it cruises really well. It's definitely nice. We got online financing. We have transport nationwide and everything else that you need. All the high definition photos on classiccaraddict.com. Definitely check this one out or any of the other ones that we have on there. All right guys, we are under this 1957 Thunderbird. It is awesome. Definitely nice and dry. No big deterioration. No big rot. Looks like there is a little bit of damage there, but no deterioration. Really good shape. New gas tank. Exhaust is in good shape. Transmission and engine's in good shape. See here, drum on the front, both sides there, and then here in the back as well. Really good shape.